Hello everyone. In today's video I'll try and show you how I broke and then fixed to some satisfactory degree my miter saw. We are now looking at the aftermath of what happened. I tried to cut this little piece of aluminum bracket using the saw. Cutting aluminum with circular saws is a pretty normal practice, at least for me. And everything was going according to the plan until this piece of Chinese bracket galled up and stalled the blade, resulting in it bending quite severely. Honestly, I could care less about it, but what it did to my miter saw is far worse. It broke the fence. This fence wasn't an example of strength and sturdiness to begin with, and when the loud bang took place, upon opening my eyes and after making sure that all parts of my body are still attached to me, I saw that the fence was bent. Technically, it broke in half from me trying to straighten it on my hydraulic press. Examination of the blade revealed that most teeth show some level of damage done to them, but none of them is bent or completely missing, so I'll take my chances and use it a little bit more. My biggest mistake after buying this miter saw was that I failed to file lifetime warranty papers in time, and now I'm stuck with having to live with it and fix it myself. For this quick repair I chose 3x4 by quarter inch wall aluminum angle. I had it laying around for a while and the length of it looks like it might just work out for this purpose. After careful marking and lots of eyeballing, it was time to cut some slotted holes for mounting bolts. My new mill is perfect for it. I'm so glad I have it. To tell you the secret, I was cutting the bracket for mill's new digital readouts linear scale mounting. So, in a way, the miter saw would never have broke if it wasn't for the mill. And now I'm using the mill to fix the saw. What a coincidence! After making sure all is straight and square, I tighten the bolts only to find out that now I can't change the cutting angle of the saw. New fence is not letting the table to turn. Apparently, the original fence had this little offset to clear the turning table segment. Because it's just a quick repair, I'll use some fender washers to shim it up. After installing shims, it finally turns, but my new fence is restricting the movement of the table. Sometime later, I will make cutouts to allow the table to utilize the entire range of movement. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps someone like me out there. Please consider supporting my channel by subscribing and sharing with people you know. Also, any help via Patreon and GoFundMe is appreciated and will be used directly to speed up completion of projects as well as improving the quality of the content. Thanks again and have a wonderful day.